Hello YouTube viewers, I have here that Waterbury modular Westminster movement that I've already serviced. This was a very complicated movement to work on. It took a lot of my time. It needed so many bushings. What's fascinating about it is it's like two movements sandwiched together, modular. So this would be your time and strike movement attached to your chime movement. So it has three mainsprings, two open mainsprings and one barrel mainspring. It has a lot of adjustments and a lot of gears. So this is for your silent and chime and silent feature, and this is your regulator for fast or slow. That's your music wheel right there, and then your hammers for your Westminster. A Waterbury. So one movement goes for the chimes, and then on your hourly strikes, it starts striking on this part of the movement. That's your half hour. And your pallet fork runs through both of the movements. It's very unusual. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.